In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively cancel your Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, account. Now, you may notice there isn't a straightforward Delete Account button like we often see in other platforms. Instead, the process involves deactivating your account by deleting any associated projects and closing your billing account. Let's walk through this step by step so you'll know exactly how to manage this process. First things first, let's tackle deleting all your GCP projects. You'll want to head over to Google Cloud Console. That's your main hub for managing your projects on the platform. Once there, navigate to the I Am and Admin section and then proceed to All Projects. This is where all your created projects will be listed, and you'll need to select each one. You'll see an option to Delete Project. Once you click that, the system will ask you to confirm your action. This will involve typing in the project ID, a unique identifier for your project. After you've input the ID, you'll click Shut Down. It's crucial to understand that after completing these steps, your project will enter a soft delete state. This isn't the same as immediate deletion. Your project will remain in this state for 30 days, providing a sort of grace period, after which it will be permanently removed. This period can be quite handy, just in case you need to recover any data or if you change your mind about canceling the project. Moving on to the next step, which is closing your cloud billing account. You'll remain in the Google Cloud Console for this as well. From the main menu, navigate to the Billing section and then Account Management. Here, you'll identify your billing account. If you have multiple, make sure to select the correct one. There will be an option to Close Billing Account. Once again, the system will prompt you to confirm this action. It's important to note, closing your billing account will effectively stop any new charges from occurring. However, do keep in mind that you may still receive bills for any prior usage of services or products. Even though you've closed the account, billing details cannot be deleted permanently. They are retained for auditing and record-keeping purposes as per Google's policies. So, there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have effectively canceled your GCP account by deleting all associated projects and closing your billing account. Please remember to check if you need any data before deleting projects and to consider any pending financial issues before closing your billing account. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.